Welcome to CryptoCoins, where we review the best coins for you. How's it going, my friends? Welcome back to CryptoCoins. My name is Freddie Colton, and today we're going to be talking about a project that has me extremely excited. Alright, my friends, today we are jumping into the Spinterlands. So we'll go ahead and start a battle. It's going to set me up with a certain enemy. Great. Now, what's really fun about this game is you get to create your team from scratch every time. I am choosing the Drake of Arnak because I'm a big fan of Dragonborns. I know technically a Drake is not, but close enough. You get to choose your element as well. I'm going to go with water. That was a Shaolin Showdown reference, by the way. Water! So basically you get to choose your people based off your mana. So I've got 28 mana available, 4 of that taken, so 24 available at the moment. So essentially you go through and try to choose your best. Now, I'm going to go ahead and say, I think that this guy looks like he would be a monster in the realm of defense for me. Let's see. Now I need the Albatross, that's very inexpensive for one, so I'm going to take that. The Albatross, there's a poem there, I forget what it is. Sniping Norwal, yeah, absolutely. Alright, I have 8, so I have 10 left. So I'm going to take you as a 6, and then I'm going to find a 4 right here. Awesome. And so then now that I'm ready, I can click battle. Awesome, my opponent's got the same choice. Now, what's really interesting about this game as well, turn this down a little bit, sorry. What's really interesting about this game as well, ready, rumble, is that it actually automatically plays through, and that's kind of why it's cool that it lets you choose the team each time. It actually plays through for you, goes through essentially what would happen. You can actually go through, check out what their creatures are, what the powers that these creatures have are, things like that. Now, see, they're going for this guy here at the front. That's why I put him there in the very head of it. Now, I should not have chosen Albatross as the second one. See, it shows I need to get 2 very defensive characters on the top. That would definitely be necessary. As you see, I'm getting shellacked over here. What's cool, though, you can also skip to results. If you're someone who wants to play through games as quickly as possible, loser, fair enough. I'm going to try this one more time. Alright. Can I change spots? No. Oh, okay, so I'm going to just skip to results. I did get beat again, but that, again, gives me the idea, so try another match. Let's just give it another shot. I'm just kind of playing through a couple matches here. So we're going to create our team. Look, I tried based on the Dragonborn. That didn't work out for me so much. I want more of a defense-based somewhat. Oh, Bortus. I'm a big fan of the Orville. Let's try Bortus. So let's go for some people who are big money in the realm of defense. So Demon Shark looks defensive. Now I'm going based off of the little shields that I see here. So you look very defensive. So I'm going to go with a more defense-based team, in fact. So I got okay, 10 left. So I'm going to... Let's see here. I get 10 left, but 2 more people. So I can do, let's say, like a 6 and a 4. This guy looks crazy. And I guess the guy beside him looks good. Oh, no. We're going with the Griffin. There you go, baby. All right, let's get it going. See if I can... Great. And they're mustering their forces, as it says. And yeah, you can see it's just such a fun game, and it's easy to play. All right, great. I am Acolyte. Alright, let's watch this one play out, my friends. Now, what I love about this, as I said, you can play games really fast to learn quicker, or you can actually sit here and let the game play through, because essentially what you're doing is you're choosing your forces ahead of time as to who's going to sort of represent you. You can see there. Now, it looks like they're actually able to get past him. Some of them might have something like haste in Magic the Gathering, if you will. Seems I'm not doing very much damage to these monsters. So what's up? Reduce attack from melee. Ah, see that? See, and that's the thing as well, when you really go through and look at what's going on with these kind of characters. You can see that they've got specialties and things like that as well to be checked out. Oh, come on, buddy. Come on. Step up for me, team. Oh, Turtle. Turtle Club. Turtle. Come on, buddy. Oh, no. Wow, they put Antoid Platoon. Wow. That one card got me. I can't even beat that. That's so great. That was so fun, actually. Try one more time. Why not? All right. Let's see. I'm going to try... Ooh, I like you. All right, now I need someone who's... Oh, see, I wish you gave me a little bit more info when I was choosing them is the thing. Okay. You're highly defensive and you look pretty strong, actually. You too. So I've got, alright, 22. Yeah, you, and then a 2. I got a 2. Which the archer looks great for, but let me just check here. Oh, see, Celestial Harpy is probably better. Yeah, we're going with Celestial Harpy, my friends. I think we got that. I think this is our game. Sure. Oh, okay, I accidentally exited out. That's my bad. Should have seen that coming when it told me that. So let's go with a general similar team. Let's try to choose like the same team I just did. Let's see, we got our knights. Tell you what, here we go. So I chose. Oh, I chose him. Ah, actually, this is my team. I'm gonna go with this number. Oh, that's it. I clicked surrender. I'm an idiot. I clicked that and then I was like, oh, surrender. I didn't even notice that because I'm dumb. All right, here we go, baby. This is my last round or last opponent, even if I lose. I just don't want to keep it too lengthy. Let's rumble. Now, what's cool is you can actually fast forward as well. Sort of let the game go quicker. No, I'm getting shellacked. They're shellacking me! No! Baby, no! Ah, no! One more time! Alright, I skipped to it. I tried. My friends, that is Splinterlands. It's really fun. Even though I'm losing, I'm honestly having a great time. So I do always appreciate you coming by the channel to hang out with me, check out what I've got going on. Just love playing some gameplay. Please recommend some other games for me to play in other videos, and I will be seeing you next time.